So I want to do a really quick review on this stick 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. It's something that I've ordered with my mum in mind. She's in her late 80s and fiercely independent, so she likes to do her own cleaning, but she can no longer humph the big vacuum cleaner up the stairs and manoeuvre it correctly. So I wanted to get her a lightweight one, and this one really does fit the bill. It really is lightweight. You can literally pick it up with one finger. It's easy to clean out. It's got a nice large capacity, HEPA filter, which is washable, and then this becomes like a handheld unit, and you can just use this to do the stairs, or you can use these nice tools just to get in between your cushion covers and things like that. So it can do everything she needs it to do. It's easy to store. She can carry it up the stairs. It's perfect for her, and absolutely ideal. Really good value for money, and very well made. I definitely recommend it. I have done a written review as well, so please feel free to read that, and I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for listening.
So this is the Hoover, and it is amazing. It's really, really powerful. I've just hoovered this rug, which was covered in pet hair, and it has taken it all up. Look, it's taken up all of the pet fur, and there's hardly any fur left on the carpet. It did an amazing job. It comes with 2 attachments, which are very easy to attach to the Hoover. It's very lightweight, and it's got very powerful suction. Absolutely recommend.
About to demonstrate the uselessness of this. As you can see, there's some dirt there, which I'm now about to try and vacuum up.